streets we hard out. Red beam on your head look like smallpox. And I can sell you rocks or even Roxy. And you can spot me with a flight. Ladies be on my stick going high. And I'ma just chill, go nighty. Maybe pour a cup of Sprite. Yeah, it's pour fucking nicely. You can't vice me with your sweet words trying to slice me. My advice be to you, get it how you move. Trust the wrong person, that's how you lose. On the cool to fuck them out. If they don't like the way you talk, hands up on my nuts, bitch, that's just the way I walk. Blowing wind, 100 proof it just like this gin. That's why I spittin'. Many men, deaf to you. In the grass, tryna blend. I'm on my knees again, tryna make amends. I just got a new chopper case, I meet some new friends. Search for hope, this my hope flow. Pray to Holy Spirit glow. Just the way I move.
It's easy to die, motherfucker. Fuck the industry. I be in the fucking streets, bleed the block bleed. Smoking R.I.P. Drop this free. This free speech trying to impeach my lyrical flame, though nowadays rappers sweeter than the mango. Brains mango when my guns tangle. Round your motherfucker head mangle. You just a puppet on a string tangle. And I'm a motherfucking archangel. So let me put you under my wing though. And I'ma shoot a free throw. No written. Free flow, and I don't pay free hoes, and I'm fresh like standing in the rain and mink coat. Yeah.